RTX 3090. Why not? Let's get one. Graphics cards, graphics cards, graphics cards. All sorts of price. What is that? RTX 3070, 3090 for $99? You can get all these really cool GPUs for that. That's it? All right, add to cart. We showed them. All right, GPU mystery box. Let's see what's inside, man. I'm excited. What? That's not a 3090.
Well, let me show you Into the AM. It's an awesome website with some crazy premium clothing that feel good and they look really good as well. They have some designs that you guys probably will never see anywhere else, and they're constantly updating their product line. Don't believe me? Let me show you right now.
Whoa, holy RGB, Batman. Look at this, I matched the entire background. That's awesome, thanks, man. You know, it's nice that I got one though. Where can they get one?
Head over to intotheam.com using my link in the description, and you guys can go check out all of their crazy designs and pick something out for yourself.
Oh, also, let me stop you real quick. Is there any kind of promo code or whatever? Because everybody wants a discount.
Well, I'm glad you asked, because if you use the link down in the description below, you'll get an instant 10% off of your order.
Check the link down below and get your guys some really awesome graphic tees and more with my special discount code. And now, let's get back to the video. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the RE Visuals YouTube channel. And today, I'm making this video because I care about all of you guys. So recently, while searching for graphics card prices, because I know we're all watching them right now because, you know, I do a lot of builds in this channel, so I'm looking for graphics cards for different computer builds that I'm doing. So I'm just checking the prices to see if they're coming down finally and blah, blah, blah. But recently, what I've been seeing when I've been looking for graphics cards on Amazon are these listings for these things called GPU or graphics card mystery boxes. Yes, you might have seen some yourself. So we're gonna go over to the computer real quick and we're gonna check out a couple of these listings that I've seen, and I'm gonna show you guys why exactly these are a scam and why you should not at all give them your money. So let's go ahead and get right into it.
This company right here, what is this called? Ping. Okay, yep, seems legit. All right, so this listing shows RTX 3090 graphics card, video RTX 3080, 3070 Ti, 3060 Ti. So it shows like all these different graphics cards that you guys are probably going to be searching on Amazon for. So that way they pop up in the results. And then, you know, you guys see this really cool, oh my God, it's a mystery cube. And look at all these awesome graphics cards. I could possibly get one. Wrong. You guys, this is what they want you to think, okay? Let's just look at their pictures they got here. Who is the lucky one? Woo! Like, come on, man. Look at this right here. Okay, so here is your actual odds. Let's dive into this for a second. I know Jay's 2 cents did this too. I want to go through this because this is absolutely stupid. So, look, a 2% chance of getting a 30 series or an RX 6000 series card, okay? That might as well be zero. You're not gonna get one. I'm telling you this right now, it's just not gonna happen. I mean, this 4, 8, 16%. So like, look, this bottom one right here, like if anybody even left a single review on this and said, oh yeah, I got myself like an RX 380 or whatever, something like that, or a 970 4 gig, that would be worth paying the $129, because I mean those still go for like what, like 180 bucks, maybe a little bit more on the used market, as what I was seeing for the 970s right now. So I mean, yeah, you get yourself a little discount on a GTX 970. That'd be great. But guys, this right here might as well be zero too, because you're not gonna get it. It's just not gonna happen. And I'm gonna tell you why. Because look, they put 70% right here, other series of graphics cards. They don't even specify what series, and that is because they are basically going to just always say, oh yeah, there is a more than 70% chance that you are going to get just any other graphics card they feel like sending to you. And it could just literally be just some junk they found in the trash bin. And that's probably what it's gonna be. So let's go ahead and take a look at more of this, because this just makes me laugh. Look at this. This is great. I might even use this for the thumbnail, man. I might just steal this like they're trying to steal your money. This is hilarious too. Look at this. Look at these stock photos they're using right here to try to get you to think that like, oh my God, you're gonna get a really cool gift. Like, look, your wife, your girlfriend, whatever, your daughter even. Look at that. Wants you to have a really cool GPU. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. Sorry. Let's dive in more. Let's see. GDR6 6 that's not gonna happen. You're not getting any DDR6 graphics card. Just not gonna happen. This is my favorite part. Let's read this right here. The about this item. Okay. Part 1. Good box. Okay. Contains all series of NVIDIA and AMD graphics cards. No, it doesn't. Includes secondhand and... It's so funny. Okay. Surprise stimulation. This is an adventure about courage and luck. All products in our box are randomly selected, which is the charm of surprise. Before opening the box, no one knows what style you received. So that's why you should give them the $130 of your money to get absolutely nothing. Yeah. Note, because it is a special product, we do not support return and exchange services. Right here. Let me go ahead and highlight that. This is why, if you haven't already looked at it and seen why you shouldn't do it, this is why you should never do this. Okay, you're gonna get scammed, and then there's no way you can contact them and try to get a refund because you didn't get anything close to what they said you're gonna get. They're putting it right there, so they can't be held liable for this. I don't know how this is legal. I don't know how they're doing this. Anyway, we do our best to rotate products as often as possible. No, you don't. Not all products are shown in the pictures. Of course they aren't, because they don't want to see, nobody wants to see one of these. Nobody wants to see this crap in the pictures because you guys aren't going to give your money to them if you do. All right, 100% winning. Wrong. The probability of winning is it says 100% winning. The probability of winning this random box is 100%. The probability of winning this random box is 100%. Of course, because you're paying for it and they're going to give you and they're going to give it to you. Of course it is. Anyway, and you can randomly get equivalent or super value products looking for your own surprises. Well, you're definitely going to be surprised, but probably not in the way that you want to be. Let's continue. Join challenge. The items in our box were drawn at random. Wondering what graphics card you need to unlock yourself? This is the game of the brave. If you like it, don't hesitate to place an order. Don't listen to them. Okay, that's hilarious. Report incorrect product information. We should probably all just press this button right here and report every bit of what's happening. Anyway, let's move on down. Oh yeah, buy it with an actual graphics card that you should be buying. I mean, look at the prices difference right here. This should flag it right. Should just give you a, you know, it should ping your mind right now. Okay, right down here, let's, obviously there's no questions and answers because if there were, it'd be a lot of people flaming this thing. Product description, I love this. Same thing we just, yeah, high quality. All of our graphics cards are genuine and worth the money, so you don't have to worry. Sure. Okay. Nope. Okay. They're basically selling you this whole adventure type thing, and if I have learned anything from mystery boxes, you're gonna get scammed every single time, guys. I'm telling you right now. Oh, here we go. Here's the questions and answers. I love this. Let's read these. Here we go. Is this a scam? Yes, this is a massive scam. Jay's 2 cents is a YouTube channel showing that it's a scam. Do not ever buy these. There you go. And now my channel has a video too, and hopefully I can bring this to more people that watch my videos so you guys see this stuff too if you haven't seen Jay's video before. There you go. If you have to ask, it's most likely a huge scam. Yes, it is. There you go. Read stuff like this, you guys. This is my favorite part. Let's look at the customer reviews. They're 100% 1-star reviews because, guys, this is not, oh my God, okay. All right, here we go. Top reviews in the United States. Do not do this. It's a ripoff scheme. Let's look at his pictures. Can we even see this? Look at the card that he received. Not only is it probably some kind of like, it's a passively cooled, like what is this? It doesn't even have a what do you call it? HDMI or a display port on it. So this is not any kind of like, you know, this looks like it came out of a trash bin. It literally has like rust on it. Okay, let's check the next one. I can't wait to see what this guy. Okay, don't do this as a ripoff scheme. Yes, thank you, John. Perfect. Absolutely 100% a scam. Do not buy. What a joke. Thank God for Amazon return. Okay, so maybe you can use Amazon return. I don't know how Amazon hasn't taken these down already with the amount of returns they're probably going to get from this. But guys, I mean, if you want to try this, I guess basically what this guy is saying, maybe if you want to try to get it and then return it, maybe Amazon will let you. I don't know. I wouldn't take the risk. That's all I'm saying. Let's see what this guy has to say. Oh, it's nothing. It's just a, but look at the card. Look at this. What is that? Do you guys want one of those? I don't think you can game on that. That's all I'm saying. I don't think you can game on it. Okay, so it goes without saying, you guys, just don't do this. This is not the only listing, by the way. This company right here. There is another company. I think this is the one that Jay's 2 Cents covered. It is this FJ Benz company, and they like these pictures are like the exact same thing. I mean, their odds. I think it's the same company, same people doing it. Look, they show you a huge stack of graphics cards or whatever, and like a child that is super excited about what they're gonna get. Yeah, okay, you're not gonna get anything good. Again, 1 rating, and it's bad. This is illegal. Can't find any way to report this listing. See, there you go. And I'm pretty sure it's like the same exact thing in the description, even if this has a description, does it? What's in the box? No. That's a great product description. You should really buy this. I'm just kidding. Please don't. That I didn't even notice that at first. That's hilarious. So guys, I mean, realistically, if you don't get that trash the other guy got, what you might get is something like this that I showed that I showed you earlier. This is an NVIDIA GT 720. Now this is better than anything that I've seen anybody get on here. And now I'll put some B-roll of some performance numbers of this. I tested this in like one of my old PCs or whatever that I updated and whatnot. And I mean, yeah, you can game with it, but barely. And then this thing, like, come on, this thing is probably like $20, $25 online, maybe. So guys, look, it goes without saying, just don't do this. That's it.
All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Once again, I just wanted to make one of these videos because I care about you guys, and I wanna make sure that you guys don't get scammed or get gypped, or, you know, feel like, oh my God, I'm gonna get this awesome graphics card, and then you end up with, yeah, one of these right here that does nothing for you really, but give you a video output signal. So there you go. Yeah, if you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video. If you want to see more tech content that I do on my channel, make sure you get subscribed with those notifications on. But until the next graphics card scam or whatever kind of scam comes along, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have an awesome day.